is a WATE 6 Storm Team Severe Weather Update.
Once again, good evening. I'm meteorologist Matt Hinken. Meteorologist Ken Weathers with us as well. I wanted to show you this. May not look like a red strip there, but this has had a history of frequent lightning, some really torrential downpours, and some gusty winds with this as it moves through the northern part of Blount County into Knox County. I want to give you an estimate on some of the areas that are seeing some heavy downpours of rain and some strong wind gusts as well. And notice the lighter shades of green and blue. Some of these gusts are over 40 miles an hour. There's a 50 miles an hour, and so some of these could produce a little bit of wind damage, even a 66 mile an hour gust right there. So the winds have picked up in the Farragut area on the west side of Knox County. Officially have a warning of any type at this point, but we do have the possibility of some damaging winds even as that continues to move to the north and east. It moves north and east at about 40 to 50 miles an hour, and that's some of the areas that are in the path of this do include, but not limited to, these communities you see on the track right now. WATE studios here in about 8 minutes, north Knoxville Center Mall. And just as I speak, we're starting to hear the heavy rain, 9:18 at Three Ridges and 9:24 at House Mountain. This is all ahead of a system that's continuing to move, starting to pick up speed as it moves from southwest to northeast, across east. It's all ahead of a cold front that's out on the west side of the state. So we do have the possibility of some small hail, some damaging winds, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours of rain. Meteorologist Ken Weathers is with us, and it looks like a tough time out on the interstate this evening, Ken.
Yeah, it is. The TDOT SmartWay cameras right at Cedar Bluff, and you can see the very heavy rainfall, frequent lightning, as you can see, and look at the spray being kicked up on the area roads. That's another thing we're going to see out there, Matt, is potentially an inch plus rainfall amounts across much of the area. This is the TIS Insurance Services. Visibility is a lot better than what we're seeing there now, but definitely some very heavy rainfall showing up here as the rain is just beating on the camera lens across the area. Now back to Storm Tracker 6, Matt. We're still under this tornado watch until 2 a.m., correct?
Tornado watch until 2 a.m. and just now a new severe thunderstorm warning has come in for the right along the foothills of Monroe County. It'll be from Monroe County and Cherokee County in southwest North Carolina until 9:30. Capable of producing quarter-size hail. Storm is moving northeast at about 50 miles an hour, so it's in yellow. Monroe County, Cherokee, North Carolina, under the severe thunderstorm warning until 9:30. We'll show you that on Storm Tracker 6. That's the area that you see down to the south and west of us. That could have an impact on some of the mountainous areas along the Tennessee-North Carolina line. This is where we're talking about that warning right there in the southeast part of Monroe County and moving up toward Cherokee, North Carolina. Now right up here is the warning. So we're going to continue to move this, watch this system as it develops across the area, moving very rapidly. There's some frequent lightning with it. The warning that we have in effect is for Monroe County, but everybody else, tornado watch until 2 o'clock in the morning. We will continue to monitor it, and we're keeping you updated on Facebook, 6 Storm Team Facebook page, and Twitter as well. We'll cut into programming as it's needed, and we hope to see you on 6 News tonight.
This has been a WATE 6 Storm Team Severe Weather Update.